Embark on a journey of innovation with CDG, where advanced drone technology reshapes industrial inspections. Introducing CDG, pioneers in precision inspections, accredited under ISO 17020, leading the way in drone-assisted surveying. Discover the power of our drones, unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with state-of-the-art cameras and sensors, revolutionizing visual inspections. Why choose drone inspections? For their unparalleled efficiency, safety, and ability to access the inaccessible, transforming routine maintenance. Zoom into the future with our drones. High-resolution imagery, precise navigation, and versatile adaptability for every inspection challenge. Elevating building inspections to new heights. Our drones swiftly navigate high rises, ensuring structural integrity and safety from above. Power line inspections redefined. Drones swiftly and safely surveying vast electrical networks, preventing hazards before they happen. Illuminating efficiency in solar energy. Drones meticulously scanning solar fields, ensuring every panel performs to its potential. Bridges stand strong under our watch. Drone inspections provide critical insights into the health of vital infrastructure. Keeping communications seamless. Our drones skillfully inspecting telecommunication towers, maintaining peak performance. Reaching new frontiers. Our drones effortlessly survey remote and difficult terrains, bringing clarity to complex inspections. From sky-high to ground-level details, our drone inspections culminate in precise data analysis, crafting comprehensive reports for actionable insights. Safety in the skies, compliance on the ground. Every drone operation upholds the highest safety standards, surpassing stringent compliance checks. Ready at a moment's notice, our drone fleet is primed for rapid deployment, ensuring timely inspections when it matters most. Drones as environmental stewards. Monitoring natural habitats with minimal intrusion, our drones are guardians of the ecosystem. Behind each drone is a team of excellence. Expert pilots and technicians, rigorously trained, are the driving force of our unmatched drone services. Your vision, our mission. We engage closely with clients, customizing drone inspections to meet specific industrial needs. Where technology converges, integrating drone-captured data with cutting-edge software for a seamless inspection experience. CDG's wings spread wide. Offering local expertise with a global reach, our drone services are boundless. Join the aerial revolution with CDG's drone services. Elevate your inspections, ensure safety and efficiency. Reach out to us today.